Good evening. Today I shall discuss, I shall try to discuss about importance of this global language. And you know all, and we are very much aware, English has become the global language. And the grammar is exactly what we learn grammar from birth. And exactly if we do follow the system, how to follow and study English to have deep knowledge, or the depth of that knowledge has to come through our understanding. So I always feel, I suggest, I have become silent. I kept myself off uploading this grammatical part. I find in the YouTube there are plenty of this called uploaders. They are uploading, and a few days back I have followed one uploaders uploading about narration. It is really confusing, and the confusion is made clear. It is entirely wrong, but we do not bother because we understand what's right. So why shall I lodge a complaint against this? So exactly I would like to tell you about it clearly. We are the Bengali. We have to understand using Bengali too, sometimes whenever it is needed. But exactly we do not do. And we the teachers always follow the systems. What is that system? The system is to make the students understand, and our view, with the teacher's view, is to secure marks. Our intention is not maximally found and is not viewed to have a hold at this language. But how long will it be? How can we continue like this way? I am born Bengali. I love my mother tongue, and I usually upload in Facebook specifically. Try to write in Bengali. I write Bengali. It's my mother tongue. I feel energy. I feel spiritualized. So I do. But unofficially it is told English has become the global language, and our life, means the student's life, entirely depend on this English concept. So what I would say about this, so we need to follow whom? Exactly, David Crystal is the linguist I need to know about, but we do not study him. David Crystal, The Fight for English. It has been published in the year of 2006 from Oxford University Press. And the second, Words and Rules, written by Steven Pinker and Harper too. And the book that I have lost, someone has stolen the book, English Grammar, composed by Greenbaum, Sydney Greenbaum. But exactly our intention is to have the marks. We the teachers need to have a strong concept. Like we speak Bengali and English must be there. It should be paralleled always. But instead doing this, we teach our students in such a way, most of the students they can understand or not. I do have no such comment. I do never make about their activities or their attention, their dedication to learn Islam. If we the teachers become sincere at it, if we the teachers pay attention to teach the students correctly, students must be developed. But instead doing this, we are guiding the students in such a way. I am not telling about the schooling life. And after schooling life, college life, those honors in English. After completion of graduation or post-graduation, what I do teach, that is to be compared. We have to analyze ourselves. If we don't do today, then simply it would be as a treacherous act. At teaching. But what should I tell? I dislike, say something, make comments about it. It would hurt the teachers. So English is the global language. That is accepted by most of the people. So if we follow the eminent linguist, the British linguist David Crystal, and Steven Pinker too, we have to follow this one. Before teaching the students, at least we have to study out to teach the students. It's a social work. If we do not dedicate to teaching the students, honestly, they would not be able. And Bengali medium students are really, I feel, they are really much attentive. They are interested too. But if our system, education system, teaching system, if it favors them, then they will be convinced and they will start paying attention towards it. So now about global language. Headlines of this kind must have appeared in 1,000 newspapers too, and magazines in recent years that we follow. English rules is exactly an actual example. We cannot tell about, but I can say is about. There are some 3,500 such rules in English. But unless we do use, unless we wear it, unless we apply it, the grammar is actually something all of us begin to learn in our first days and weeks of life through interaction with others. From the moment we are born, the language and the grammar that makes up that language is all around us. We start learning it as soon as we hear it is spoken around us. Even if we do not fully comprehend its meaning yet, even then we love it. Let us do it. So now I tell you about David Crystal. We need to follow the linguist. At least we can gain a lot. Endlessly we can learn from David Crystal, Steven Pinker, Nordquist, Steve, Handke, or somebody else that now I cannot remember. So exactly Instead doing this, we have started teaching students due to have the question patterns that are there in the examination, and we the teachers teach them just how to solve it. So exactly I would say now it is the present age it is in English to the world an uncomplicated scenario suggesting the universal universality of this language that is spread and the likelihood of its continuation. And a statement prominently displayed in the body of the associate article or associated article, and it is memorably or chiefly for its aliterities in genuinity, reinforces the initial impression. The British Empire may be in full retreat with the handover of Hong Kong, but from Bengal to Belize and Las Vegas to Lahore, the language of the Settite Isle is rapidly becoming the first global lingua franca. So, sir, I would always request the students as well as the teachers to pay attention. So you can follow the TEDx Aditya Iyer and Binay Krishna Menon. You must have a clear concept about this language, because I love students. I love to teach them clearly, to have a right concept so that they can use it in future for their futurity. That must be flourished if we follow, if we try to understand, then it would have an impact. If we don't do the language, it has its own existence. It would have, it must have, what is global language, English language, that's it. So, I ask the students, there are plenty of these uploaders, they are uploading, but from where they start and where they end, I don't know. I do have no concept, nor I like, exactly I dislike to make any comment against this. They are the teachers, they are the knowledgeable person. But with education, commercial should not be compromised. But it happens, nothing I can do. Unless the followers, they cannot understand it, it will be continued. So no solution will be found if we do not pay attention to it, if we do not realize, if we do not evaluate it. Till then, it will be a complicated language to us. So I ask cordially to all the students and the guardians as well as the teachers, please pay attention to this so that students will benefit using this language, and it will help them to find their life that can help their education, their talent, their knowledge, to find out their place, to have an establishment. Nothing more. Good evening.